My name's Roman. I am a second-year aircraft maintenance engineer apprentice.
I'm Tash and I'm an aircraft maintenance engineer for Virgin Australia. I came out of my apprenticeship about 2 years ago now. I had no idea what I was in for. I have learned so much and developed so much as a person in being here.
I'm always coming in with a smile on my face. Our job is very serious and we take it really seriously. There's a lot of responsibility, but we can always have a laugh. As an apprentice, the bulk of our apprenticeship is spent in the hangar. There's a lot of different types of training that the company provides. They impart a lot of knowledge onto you.
If I had an office job, I'd fall asleep. What I love about this job is you're always doing something. We fix everything on these aircraft. I really like the wheel well. Nobody even knows what exists in there, but you go in and it's just stuff everywhere.
My favourite would be working on the engines. They're amazing pieces of technology. To be able to take components off it and be able to learn how the systems work is really fun and exciting. If you were looking at getting into the industry, I would definitely recommend it. Not only working on the aircraft, but the benefits that come with working for an airline like Virgin. I've made a lot of friends here that I reckon will be lifetime friends. Feels amazing, yeah. It's like a childhood dream that I've finally been able to make a reality. I'm loving every minute that I'm here.
I think that's what makes it really, is the people that you come to work with. It really doesn't matter who you are or where you're from or anything like that. It's about what you can do. So if you feel like it's something that you can do, just try it.